Welcome to 5G Hub. In last video, we talked about 5G core network. In this video, we will talk about 5G core network functions. 5G system configuration has been mainly divided in 5G core network. This is network infrastructure with switches, routers, and servers capable of supporting software-based network function. User equipment should use the structure to communicate with the network functions and data network. Second, 5G access network or 5G AN. Access network, mobile or fixed, comprising a new generation RAN or NG RAN and or non-3GPP access network connecting to a 5G core. Third, user equipment. Any device allowing an end user access to network access or network services is user equipment. So, core network nodes configuration has changed in 5G with new elements. The elements included in 5G core are designed as network functions that are software based so that they can virtualize using network functions virtualized and software defined network techniques by design. Now we will talk about network function. Access and mobility management function is responsible for registration, connection, reachability, mobility management, access authentication, authorization, location services management for services between other functions. The second is session management function. Session management function is responsible for session management, user equipment IP address allocation and management, selection and control of user plane function, configures traffic steering at user plane function to route traffic to the proper destination. Also, charging data collection, downlink data notification between other functions. User plane function. UBF is responsible for anchor point for intra or inter-RAT mobility, external BDU session point of interconnected to data network, packet routing, forwarding, packet inspections, and traffic usage reporting. Also is responsible for quality of service handling for user plane, uplink traffic verification between other functions. PCF or policy control function supports unified policy framework to govern network behavior. Also provides policy rules for control plane functions to enforce them and access subscription information relevant for policy decisions in a UDR or Unified Data Repository. NEF or Network Exposure Function. Exposure of capabilities and events, secure provision of information from external application to 3GPP network, translation of internal-external information. Network Repository Function or NRF. NRF supports service discovery function, receive network function discovery request from NF instance, and provides information of the discovered NF instance to be discovered to the NF instance. Also maintains the NF or network function profile of available network function instances and their supported services. UDM or Unified Data Management is responsible for generation of 3GPP ACA or authentication credential and user identification handling, access authorizing based on subscription data like roaming restrictions, also supported to service or session continuity, subscription management, SMS management between other functions. Authentication Server Function, or AUSF. AUSF supports authentication to 3GPP access and unstructured non-3GPP access. AF, or Application Function, interacts with the 3GPP core network in order to provide services. For example, to support application influence on traffic routing, access network exposure function, interacting with the policy framework for policy control. Application functions considered here to be trusted by the operator can be allowed to interact directly with relevant network functions. Finally, Network Slice Selection Function, or NSSF, is responsible for selecting the set of network slice instances serving the user equipment, determining the AMF set to be used to serve the user equipment, or based on configuration a list of candidate AMFs, possibly by querying the NRF between other functions. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.